Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Christine of 5-1 Talk, willing to help and guide you in your teaching journey in this platform. Today, teachers, we will talk about 65 peak slots because this is one of the commonly asked questions by the applicants and the NQTs or newly qualified teachers of 5-1 Talk. I know that I am not the best person or authorized person to discuss about this, but I will be sharing you my knowledge as per experience in 5-1 Talk for 6 months already. 65 peak slots is the minimum requirements before in my time. That was August 2020. I can't exactly tell you kailan siya naging 55 na lang. Bumaba na siya sa 55 peak slots. Kasi napansin ko na lang guys na every time na mag-plot ako ng schedule sa my page, tinatanggap na niya yung 55 peak slots. Kasi dati-rati is 65 talaga yon. But if lesser than 55, still my page will not proceed in plotting your schedule. So again, teachers, as per observation, it's no longer 65 peak slots yung minimum requirements. Rather, it's 55 peak slots. Regardless if your status in 5-1 Talk is a part-timer or a full-timer, you have to follow the requirement or the minimum requirement of 55 peak slots. But of course, you can have more than that, as many as you can, so long as you can cater to students quality teaching despite your hectic schedule, then it's okay. Now, teachers, many are asking me about kung kailangan ba talaga nating mag-open ng ganun karami. Do we really need to open 65 or 55 peak slots? The answer is yes. Okay, let's go back to the basic qualification of 5-1 Talk. I hope that you have read that one and you exactly understood it right before you sign up for the application. Because this is part of our commitment to the company as we are launched as 5-1 Talk teachers. The qualification is stated in this manner. Availability to teach during peak hours, that is from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. every Monday to Friday, and 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. So, pipili ka lang dun sa mga available na slots dun upang mapuno mo yung 55 peak slots. I would like to update you on the changes on the peak hours. Starting April 1 onwards, 5-1 Talk would like to inform you of the changes on the peak hours. So, from Monday to Friday, yung peak hours na natin is from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and for weekends it will be from 9 a.m. to 8:30 in the evening. Okay, so mas marami na tayong pagpipiliang peak hours for our 55 peak slots. Okay, so balikan muna natin yung qualification. Di ba nabasa natin yan? So if you have seen that one over Facebook, that was the fourth basic qualification if you want to apply, that you have those available time. When I signed up to 5-1 Talk, I know that wouldn't be easy for me to extend my time teaching at night and during weekends to earn additional income. But just like you teachers, you and I would like to augment and sustain the financial needs of our family, right? We tried to venture this job to find happiness in teaching foreign kids. At the same time, earning in our comfort zone. Okay, of course, I am open to reality that the company is not really a perfect company. I myself do have the ups and downs during my neophyte stage, but then I said to myself, it's me who applied. It's me who commit myself. So, yun na lang yung iniisip ko na I have a choice. If you really find yourself so stressed about this job, then you have your choice, right? Now, mayroon namang nagtatanong, what if naman, teacher, if kailangan ko talagang i-close yung ibang mga slots ko dahil may brownout, walang internet, may family emergency, pwede ko ba yung i-close? Naiintindihan ko yan na feeling kasi during my first 2 months, talagang problemado ako sa internet at saka sa brownout. Kahit ngayon nga, yun pa rin yung problema ko kasi dito sa Pilipinas, yan talaga yung major problem natin, di ba? So, sa China at sa ibang bansa, they're not having any problem regarding internet. So, kung mayroong problema, it's us because of our internet status here in our country. So, kawawa lang tayo mga teachers. Regarding your question kung pwede bang i-close, of course, teacher, you can close your slots kaysa naman sa magkaroon ka ng 200 pesos na deduction. Mas malaking problema yon. So, you can close it anytime provided na wala talagang nakapag-book doon na estudyante kasi hindi mo na yon mako-close. So, you will be absent on that na. So, kung wala naman, pwede mo siyang i-close. But I have observed that if you will close it 1 hour or 30 minutes before, let's say you have a class at 7 o'clock, tapos you will close it at 6 o'clock, you cannot close it anymore because in my page, hindi na siya naka-highlight. So, dapat i-close mo siya hours before said open slot. Okay, I said pwede, diba? So, bababa ka na sa 55 peak slots. Merong nagtatanong, madi-deactivate ba ako, teacher? Hindi. Kasi noon, hindi naman ako na-deactivate na mga bumaba na talaga siya sa 30 peak slots na lang yung na-open ko. Hindi naman ako na-deactivate. Nag-text lang sila na kailangan kong mag-open ng more than the required. Pero yun nga, wala akong magagawa kasi mahina naman talaga yung internet. But of course, there is an effect in your teaching improvement tool. Dito siya, teacher, mayroon siyang epekto dito. Kasi magiging less yung exposure mo, less yung activeness mo. So, bababa yung performance average mo. So, in effect, sa iyo, maglo-low bookings ka. So, yun yung effect if from how many slots, say, you open 80 slots and then it back down to 40 slots na lang, bumaba ka talaga sa minimum requirements, yun, mayroon siyang effect sa teaching improvement tool, yung performance average natin daily. Kaya nakaka-experience talaga tayo ng low booking. Mayroon nagtanong sa akin, for example, teacher, gusto kong mag-open ng 40 slots lang, 55 yung minimum. Ayaw mag-proceed ni my page. Diba? Ito yung nakikita natin. Diba? Magpa-pop up ito. Hindi siya magpo-proceed. So, ang ginagawa ko nun, may strategy rin akong ginawa nun, teachers. So, I opened many peak slots. Say, umabot siya ng 70. Siyempre, magpo-proceed siya. Makikita mo to. Right? After na nag-proceed siya, i-close ko na yon. Yung mga slots na hindi talaga ako makakapasok, hindi talaga ako makakapag-online, bababa na siya sa, let's say, 45. O di mayroon kang open slots. The good thing there is that you remain an active teacher. Kaya lang nga, may effect siya sa iyong performance average. Now, if galing sa 40 slots ka na lang, sabihin natin, mayroon ka ng bakante kasi may holidays. So, kung magdadagdag ka, make sure you will still open up to 55 peak slots kasi hindi magpro-proceed talaga si my page kung kulang sa 55 peak slot. So, automated kasi siya, di ba? Okay, so as per orientation in our onboarding, we are advised to really have more than 55 peak slots. And then we have to open our slots for 2 rolling weeks. 2 rolling cut-off. So, you need to have 14 days advance na na-open na slots para mas tumaas yung iyong performance average. For example, in April 1 to 15, nag-open ka ng slots, dapat advance mo rin na na-open yung April 16 to 30. So, dapat mayroon talaga tayong good for 1 month na open slots. That's the most advisable. Kasi, syempre, mas mataas yung ating exposure sa mga students. What if naman po, if every cut, hindi ka talaga umaabot ng 55 peak slots, mawawala ka ba sa platform? Makakancel ba yung iyong agreement? Hindi naman. Sa akin lang, no, sa aking na-experience, parang hindi siya, teachers, kasi I tried to research it by reading all the terms and condition in our service agreement, at saka nakita ko to sa lesson schedule. Ito yung tinake note ko kasi hinanap ko talaga dun sa ating service agreement saan ba yung part na talagang kailangan nating mag-open ng 55 peak slots. Okay, so this is under lesson schedule. The independent service provider, so ang tawag kasi sa atin is ISP. The independent service provider is encouraged to maintain at least a rolling 2 weeks schedule in his or her My Page. We agreed on this. We submitted ourselves on this agreement. So, dapat natin siyang i-follow. He or she must meet the minimum schedule requirement. He or she may add extra lessons as desired. If he or she can't plot a 2-week schedule, he or she must immediately inform teacher support of this. So we are encouraged to open the minimum requirements. Pero if we can't, we still can open less than that to remain in the platform for the sake na lang of being active. Malaki kasing tulong si 5-1 Talk. Pero if you don't want to have stress about canceling your service agreement, then follow the rules of the company. Okay, so those are all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video and thank you for listening. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and you can share this one to your co-5-1 Talk teachers so they will be informed about these 65 peak slots. So again, you can like and share this video. For those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I have new videos to upload. And if you have something to inquire, don't hesitate to comment down below. Type there your questions and I have there more videos to watch in my description box. And of course, you can also visit my channel page so you can see there all my videos related on the new teacher's guide. Again, that would be all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Always smile and God bless everyone. Bye! See you again next time.